What's going on, guys? It's Trey, aka the Common Advisor, and I'm back with another fire video. First of all, I want to say thanks to everyone that just subscribed to my channel. I really had a lot of feedback from that last video about CPA marketing. A lot of subscribers came from that video, a lot of likes, a lot of questions. So today I have something even better for you all, and it's the best CPA offer out there. And not only the best CPA offer, but how to get some great traffic. And I got this video from another follower, another person that I follow on YouTube, and they're my subscribers, and I really think that you all will enjoy and really like what I'm about to tell you. So make sure you stay tuned through the whole video so you don't miss anything. This is going to put some money in your pockets. It's going to be a method that you probably never seen before. As you see on my screen, I do have a website pulled up, and I'm going to explain what this website is, and I'm going to tell you about the CPA offer that I'm talking about. So let's get straight into it. And wait, before I do, make sure you hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel, supports the channel, and I just like getting that interactive content with you all. All right, so this is Propeller Ads. Now, if you are into CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, you have a dropship of a Shopify dropshipping store, you need traffic, and more than likely you have been on Facebook and you did Facebook ads, or you did Google ads or Bing ads. But we all know that can get very expensive, and if you don't know how to target well, then you know that ad really doesn't work as well. I made videos about this in the past, but today I ran across something and I could not believe it, and it's called Propeller Ads. Now, Propeller Ads is a website where you can essentially do everything that you do on Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, right? But these, instead of just getting pushed out on Facebook, right, you get pushed out to major companies. I mean, major places like CNN website. You're on Google, like it puts you on Google without even setting up a Google ad. That's what Propeller Ads they do, and it's super easy to But here's the thing, that's just for the traffic. That's for the good traffic. And if you do want some like very good quality traffic, you can get it from here. You have to pay a little bit. But let me show you an offer that's on MaxBounty.com. Okay. So let me pull something up, and I'm going to explain to you about this offer and what it means. Now, this method right here is golden. If you're doing anything in CPA, you need to use this method. Now, look at my screen. You see this, Adobe Flash Player is out of date. How many of you all have seen this message when you're trying to go somewhere, you're trying to watch a video or something like that, and this pops up? All these years I've been seeing this pop up, I always thought it was really an Adobe Flash Player that was out of date. But I learned today that these are CPA offers, guys. People are making bank off of this, and if they're putting in the right funnels and doing it right, people are making crazy amounts of money off of this pop-up right here. Now, you can find this exact CPA pop-up on MaxBounty. And then let me break this down for people that don't know what's going on right here. Okay, so CPA is click per action, right? So you get paid every time somebody clicks on a button or completes an action. Well, where this comes into play is you could get on MaxBounty, right, and partner with Adobe Flash Player, and get people to their website. So you will put this on different websites using Propeller Ads, the website that I showed you at first. So if somebody's trying to look up a new news article on CNN, and you go through Propeller Ads and put that ad in, when they go to CNN on their mobile browser or anything, this is going to pop up. Adobe Flash Player needs to be updated, right? And this is a CPA offer. Once they click in and they update their Adobe Flash Player, guess what? You get paid. Now, you're probably saying, how much do I get paid? Where can I find this? Like I said, it's on MaxBounty. And if you don't have MaxBounty, I'm about to pull it up right now. If you don't have description below, all you have to do is go to that link in the description, click on it, sign up for MaxBounty, and you're in. And you can start doing this today, right? Anywhere, worldwide method, you should do it. Here it is on MaxBounty. Here it is right here. This is what it's going to look like. That's what the pop-up is going to look like. And it's $3 per lead, guys. $3 per lead. If you get that Propeller ad traffic, and you get to shoot that out to millions of people online, and they see this Adobe Flash Player pop up. And Adobe Flash Player is something that's trusted. People know Adobe, people know Flash, so they're going to click on it because they want to update it so they can see what they want to see. And guess what? You get paid. I think this is the best opportunity in CPA marketing that I have seen so far. I'm probably gonna find some different ones. I'll probably tell you all about some different ones, but this one right here, this is a great one. I think everybody should try this one. Somebody said this earlier and it was like, it just blew my mind, because I was like, oh my, all these years I've been clicking on Adobe Flash Player, update my browser, and somebody was getting paid for that. Somebody brought me to Adobe, and you can do the exact same thing, but you need a MaxBounty account. Like I said, if you don't have a MaxBounty account, please go to the description below, click the link in the description, register for your MaxBounty account. It's super easy. It's free. All that's going to happen, you're going to put in a few details about yourself. You probably get a phone call from one of the agents. As you can see on my screen, I have an affiliate manager, Kate. She called me when I first got on MaxBounty, right? And she just called to make sure I was a real person, make sure I wasn't a bot. And that was it. She verified me and I was good to go. I was in here and now I can make money on MaxBounty, and you can too. All you got to do is just sign up. But guys, how great is that? Get on Propeller Ads. First of all, you get a MaxBounty account. You find the Flash Player, Player CPA offer, right? Then you get the link from the CPA offer, put it in a Propeller ad, make your ad, just come up with something simple, and it'll walk you straight through, and boom, your stuff is getting pushed out everywhere. It's this simple. So let me know in the description, let me know in the comments if you've tried this method. Let me know how it works. I really hope this helped, and if it does, or if you just like these videos, you want to see some more just like this about CPA offers, making money online, reviews, and all things like that, make sure you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll make sure I get back at you. And until next time, I'm out.